You want to learn how to do what we do? You want to learn how to build one of these? Well, we're going to show you how, and we're going to start out with the good stuff. That's right, in our Fillet Braze course, it doesn't matter if you've never done it before. We're going to show you how to do it, starting with the torch and how to fillet braze your first bike frame. Over the past 2 years, we developed a special technique that allows you to get better at fillet brazing faster than you would by using the techniques that most people normally use. It doesn't matter if you've never built a bike frame or if you've already gotten started with fillet brazing, we can show you how to do it better, faster, and prettier. Just click the link below for more information about our online course on fillet brazing.